Hi guys, thanks so much for stopping by. In this video, I'd love to share with you how I decorated this small space in my living room. So I started with two 6-foot garland and intertwined some Dollar Tree picks in it just to depict the changing of the season. The pumpkins are also from Dollar Tree. The wreath is from Kirkland. I added a second bow and some additional picks to it just to make it fuller and look more attractive. Let me know what your thoughts are on these pumpkin. The vase and the thankful sign, those were from Maxx. The pumpkins, I'm not sure where I got those. It's been many years. And the hurricane lamp, so here's the view with the lights turned on. It's still daytime out, so it's not at its fullest. So at least you'll get an idea to see what it looks like. So we've added two hurricane vases at the end of the TV. And those are filled with the vase fillers, just little mini pumpkins, leaves, and twinkling lights. The metal pumpkins, those were from Maxx, and I added the motif candles. And we added some lights to the bouquet over there. And now you can see the twinkling lights, the falling leaves in the hurricane vase. Let me know your thoughts. And thanks for stopping by, and hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving.